Evolution is born from challenge. Advancement requires looking forward and adapting to change. Introducing the all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier. This truck is made to do more.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Built on Mississippi's sweat and pride, here in Canton, rising to the challenge is part of our DNA. Together, we fought through hard times to earn the right to introduce a truck bred to never take a day off. You have to know strong to build strong. And around here, strong is who we are. The unmistakable mark of a legend. The all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier. The culmination of over 6 decades of groundbreaking truck expertise. Crafted in Mississippi. What bold and rugged looks like.